So are you going to start your business and still confused whether to go for FBA or FBM? Let me help you out. So FBA is basically fulfillment by Amazon, where Amazon packs, ships, delivers your goods to the customer, then handle the customer services if you have opted for. Whereas FBM is fulfillment by merchant, that is you, where you have to pack, ship, and deliver the goods to the customer and handle the customer services. At the first look, it seems that FBA is the right option to go for, but it comes with a cost. So what you have to do, so if, in my opinion, if you are a new seller, then you should go with FBA. But if you are an existing seller who has the capacity to handle all the operations, then you should go for FBM. There is no hard and fast rule that whether to go for FBA or FBM. It depends on how you are going to handle the logistics, how you are going to handle the shipment, and how you are going to deliver the customer services. It also depends on your customer product category. Some items are not suitable for FBA. For example, the large rugs, which have a very high cost of storage, they are not easy movers, so you don't have to ship them. On the other hand, smaller items perform very good on Amazon, where Amazon has a less storage cost for them and they ship it very quickly. With FBA, you can get the Prime badge, which can add value to your listing, and also once the customer sees that Amazon is shipping them, it adds their trust in it. On the other hand, the whole inbound process of sending the shipment to Amazon can take time, and you can lose on the opportunity to sell early. For example, a seasonal item, you would like to sell it yourself. So it all depends on the item and your ability to ship it. Hope you would make the right choice. For more such videos, follow our YouTube channel Digital Byte Craft, where we will teach you everything in detail.